My dear students of class 9, this is your subject history. And here the first chapter name is the Harappan civilization. Continuation part from the scope. Today's lesson is trade, art and craft. Trade. All of you know trade is very important for any country at present. So same like trade was very important for Indus Valley civilization, trade and commerce. The Harappans had commercial relations with southern and eastern India. Kashmir and countries of Central Asia, they imported various metals, precious stones, and other articles. It is believed that they were importing gold from Karnataka, copper from Rajasthan, and precious stones from Afghanistan and Iran. Now, many evidences have been found which reveal that trade was carried on with Egypt and Crete, that was in Greece. Objects of Sumerian origin found at the Indus cities further indicate that there were trade relations between these countries. Trade needs uniform weights and measures. There is evidence that the Harappan people used sets of cubical stone weights even in the far-flung areas. Trade was carried on both by land and sea routes. The representation of a ship on a sail suggests the popularity of the sea route. Now, next scope is arts and craft. The art of sculpture. They were very skillful in art. The discovery of statues and figurines in terracotta, stone, and even metal shows a high degree of development in the art of sculpture. Now, sculpture in metal. Here see the picture, bronze figure of a dancing girl. Now let's see sculpture in metal. The most outstanding work in metal is the bronze figure of a dancing girl with her right hand on her hip in a dancing posture. She is shown wearing necklace and her left arm is covered with bangles made of ivory or bone. Now, next subheading is sculpture in stone. Two stone statues which have been found at Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. So, the remarkable skill of their sculptures. One of these is the statue of a nobleman or a priest wearing a shawl over the left shoulder and under the right arm. His eyes are half closed and his beard is trimmed. This sculpture is known as the bearded man. And see this picture of the bearded man. Next subheading is sculpture in terracotta. The terracotta figurine of the mother goddess which was found at Mohenjo-daro. Several other terracotta figures of a bull, dog, sheep, birds, men and women have also been found. This is the statue of mother goddess. This is terracotta work. Now the art of carving. The Indus people excelled in the art of carving. The figures of animal carved on the seals show a high degree of excellence. Many seals have been found with engravings of the figures of various animals such as the bull, the buffalo, the bison, the elephant and the mythological unicorn. Now next subheading is the art of painting. Different designs and figures of men, animals, birds, and trees painted on earthenware show the artistic skill of the people. They painted geometrical patterns in a variety of colors on pottery. And here see the picture, painted pottery that got in Lothal. See the beautiful designs. Here also some pictures of Indus Valley pottery. Now the art of pottery. The Harappan potters made pottery of various shapes and size on a potter's wheel. Different types of pots, jars and vases were made. Now next subheading is metal craft and metallurgy. Smiths of various kinds possess technical skill in producing beautiful jewelry, in casting metals and in creating alloys. Gold ornaments like necklace, armbands, bangles, girdles, silver bracelets, and earrings worn by the Harappan women. The artisans showed their skill in smelting bronze and producing vessels of fine quality. Copper vessels were made from sheet metal. Now see students, this is the picture of a Harappan script. Now we will discuss about the Harappan script. The art of writing and script. The Harappans had developed the art of writing. The seals discovered at Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are engraved with some sort of pictorial writing. Similar inscriptions have been found engraved on copper tablets with figures of men and animals. Remember students, this script at present till today didn't discovered means no one can read this Harappan script. Some scholars are of the opinion that the writing was generally from right to left, but in some cases it was written from left to right. Again, see the picture students. Generally were writing left to right, but their script were written normally right to left. Very interesting script. If in future it will discovered, we, we will get more information about Indus Valley civilizations. Okay students, if you have any queries or any doubt, you can comment below the video in comment section. Write your name and section. Thank you students.